Hello students, good morning to all of you. So today we are going to discuss about another important concept in AC chapter. Okay, so this is the I think sixth part, right? Okay, so now in this chapter, so I will give you first concept is wattless current. What is the first concept is wattless current and wattful current. Wattless current and wattful current. What is the meaning of wattless current and what is the meaning of wattless current? Wattful and wattless. Wattful and wattless. Okay, right. So in LR circuit, okay, or else in LCR circuit, any circuit you can take, no problem. So first I took there, this is the VL, this is the VR. Resultant vector is this one only, right? This is the resultant vector, so V naught. This is the resultant vector of VL and VR. Okay, so you know current and voltage in inductor both are in perpendicular direction. Voltage is leading, current is lagging only. Correct? So now current is flowing through this direction. Through this direction. So this is the VL naught. VL. Okay, or V naught L. V naught L is the V naught L. So this is the V naught R. Or else RMS voltage also you can take, no problem. Okay, so now this is the current. Through x-axis current is going on. So this is the resultant vector, resultant phasor voltage. So that is a V naught. So now the angle between current and voltage is phi. Correct or not? Current and voltage is phi. Now this current I can resolve two components. These current I can resolve two components with respect to this phi. Right? Now I can draw here 90 degrees. This is the 90 degrees. Okay. So now this is the result here. So this is the y adjacent component. This is the opposite component only. Correct? Y axis and x axis, like that only. So now this is the 90 degrees. So now with respect to this phi, so opposite adjacent side. So this is the hypotenuse. Is the hypotenuse. So hypotenuse. So cos phi is equal to adjacent side. What is adjacent side? V naught only, right? V naught by I naught. Sorry, hypotenuse. Correct? V naught by I naught. Or else this is adjacent side. I don't know adjacent side. That is, you can forget about that. Okay. By hypotenuse is I naught. So adjacent side is equal to how much will come? I naught into cos phi. I naught into cos phi. That means in this direction current is I naught cos theta. Then in this direction, so current is I naught sin phi. I naught sin phi, this is I naught cos phi. Right? Okay, everything is fine. So now current is there in the circuit. Current is there in the circuit. Current is there. Okay. Then what about power? You know power formula. Power formula is equal to what? V into I, right? Power is equal to V into I. Yes. So through this direction, potential is equal to how much? Voltage is equal to V naught. Voltage is equal to V naught. Current is equal to how much? I naught into cos phi. Therefore, power is equal to V naught into I naught cos phi. That means in this direction, the power should be there. Correct? Power is there in this direction. This component, in this component, power will be there. Next, this y component we will see is adjacent component there. Next, opposite component in this direction. So current is how much? I naught sin phi. Then voltage is not there. Correct? Therefore power is equal to voltage into current. Voltage is equal to not there in this direction, but current will be there. Current will be there. Therefore, through this component, current is 0. Sorry, power is 0. So that in this direction, this component of power is 0. Therefore, this is wattless current. This I naught sin theta sin phi is equal to what? Wattless current. Why? Because there is no power. Correct? Wattless. Powerless. Yes or no? So power is not there. But current should be there. Current is there, but power is not there. That is known as wattless current. Wattless current. Next, here, power will be there. That's what in this component current is wattful current. In this component current is wattless. That's what first one, wattless current. Wattless current is that component of circuit. Component of circuit. Current due to which the power in the circuit is 0. Component of the circuit, current due to which the power in the circuit is 0. That current is nothing but wattless current. Okay, say similarly wattful current. Wattful current is nothing but is that component of current due to which power? Due to which power? Okay, due to which power is consumed. Here 0, but here consumed in that circuit. That is called wattful current, right? This is the small concept only. Okay, na? So this is the wattless current as well as wattful current, right? Next, another important 3-mark question. Another important 3-mark question, that is the LC oscillations. LC oscillation. This is one of the most important concept. This is the last concept, and last one is transformer. Okay, last two topics are there in the chapter. One is oscillations, second one is LC oscillations. So I can give you these two concepts. Okay, right. LC oscillations. What is the meaning of LC oscillations? LC oscillations. LC oscillations is nothing but electrical oscillations produced by the exchange of energy. Most important, remember here. What is that? Electrical oscillations is produced by exchange of energy. Exchange of energy between a capacitor, okay, a capacitor which stores electrical energy, okay, the exchange of energy between capacitor and inductor. Remember everybody, the electrical energy oscillate between electrical capacitor and inductor. Okay, na? Right. So capacitor which stores electrical energy, already you know, correct or not? Energy stored in capacitor. Energy stored in capacitor formula EC is equal to 1 by 2. Yes sir, Q square by 2C, right? Q square by 2C. This is the energy stored in capacitor. Energy stored in capacitor, so which stores electrical energy, and inductor which stores magnetic energy. Yes, in this one also in EMI chapter only. Okay, energy stored in inductor, very important 3-mark question. This one also, energy stored in capacitor also important question, energy stored in inductor also very important question. So that energy stored in inductor, EB is equal to magnetic energy, na? So that what is that? 1 by 2 Li square. 1 by 2 Li square. That means in the capacitor, charge can oscillate. In inductor, current can oscillate. Correct? From capacitor, charge can discharge. Charge can discharge. And charge. Charge can discharge and charge. Right? Similarly, in inductor, current can flow through can flow from inductor to capacitor, capacitor to inductor. Okay, so that means here charge can oscillate and energy, current also can oscillate. Similarly, so magnetic energy can oscillate and electrical energy also can oscillate. Electrical energy is given by capacitor. Magnetic energy is given by inductor. Magnetic energy is given by inductor. So energy is stored in inductor. So EB is equal to 1 by 2 Li square. EC is equal to Q square by 2C. Q square by 2C. Okay. So now here see once again. So an inductor which stores magnetic energy are called LC oscillations. Are called LC oscillations. Okay, this is the definition. And also an electric circuit containing an inductor of inductance L and capacitor of capacitance C connected in parallel is called tank circuit. Remember this word, tank circuit. Tank circuit means here capacitor as well as inductor both are connected in parallel combination. Okay, the circuit is nothing but tank circuit. Tank circuit. Which one? Capacitor as well as inductor both are parallel. That tank is known as tank circuit. That circuit is known as tank circuit. Okay, so this circuit gives rise to oscillations. This circuit gives rise to oscillations are called LC oscillations. Inductor and capacitor oscillations. Inductor and capacitor oscillations. Okay, so remember in LC oscillation I have given this many questions. First one is definition. Second one is show that omega is equal to 1 by root over LC. 1 by root over LC. Frequency again. Okay, frequency. So show that omega is equal to 1 by root over LC. Okay, root over LC. So root over LC with help of LC oscillations. With help of LC oscillation. That is the second question. Now third question. Show that how energy and charge and current oscillate in the LC oscillations. Show that energy and charge and current oscillate in the LC oscillations. Okay. Last question. Show that total energy is constant in LC oscillations. Show that total energy is constant in LC oscillations. So this is our topic only. Okay. So now I will give you. So first one. What is the first question is? Show that omega is equal to root over LC. Right. First definition over. Definition is what? Electrical. So oscillation is produced by the exchange of energy between capacitor and inductor. Between capacitor and inductor are called LC oscillations. Are called LC oscillations. Okay, na? So now first question. Second question. What is second question? Show that omega is equal to root over LC. Omega is equal to root over LC. Okay. So show that omega is equal to 1 by root over LC. Root over LC. Okay. So this is a description. So all those things, this one on LC oscillations. So tank circuit, LC also tank circuit, description and working process, everything. Okay. So now which is having, which one? Capacitor, this one. Tank circuit is having capacitor and inductor. Both are connected in parallel combination. This is the, so look like a solenoid like that only. Okay. Solid inductor. Inductor is nothing but solenoid only. Okay. Is the one of a solenoid. or inductor. So formula, you know, B is equal to mu naught into N into I. Okay. So magnetic field in inductor in solenoid. What is the formula? B is equal to mu naught into N into I. So this is the inductor. Right? This is the capacitor. This is the capacitor. So now this is the previous. So do not have any charge. Okay. So now we will give you some charge with the help of DC current. With the help of DC current, I will give you completely charge. This is the battery. Okay, this is the battery. Right, I had given charging, and again I will remove this DC. Alright, so now this is the fully charged capacitor. This is the fully charged capacitor. Fully charged capacitor. So now which is having Q naught is equal to maximum. Q naught is equal to maximum. Charge is equal to Q naught, maximum. Okay, Q naught is equal to maximum will be there. Okay, so this is the charge Q naught or Q, no problem, maximum voltage, maximum charge. Right, initially this is do not have any inductance, magnetic field. So here B is equal to 0. There is no magnetic field. Okay, initially. Right, so now we are given here, so capacitor connected to A with help of wires only. So now from capacitor, this is the negative charge will be there, therefore in this direction electrons move from negative terminal to so positive terminal, correct only na? So this is the electrons. Okay, so in this direction is going only, correct only, right? So this is the, what is that? Charge of flow of electrons. Where to where? So negative to positive. Negative to positive. Electrons is going like that only. Correct only na? So now electrons are going in this manner. So where to where? Negative to positive. Negative to positive. Yes? Then electrons are going like that. Means current is moving from positive to negative. So this is the I. The direction of I current. Okay, so now current is flowing like that itself. Current is going like that itself only. Okay, are you clear everybody? So this is the charge is going from here to here. Correct? So because of current, because of this is the now current is, so current direction is changes my here. Remember here current is enter into this solenoid. This solenoid, therefore, what would be happen here? Magnetic field can form. Magnetic field can form. So magnetic field can form there only. So this magnetic field is having some magnetic energy. That means energy stored in magnetic field. Energy stored in magnetic field. Correct or not? So this is a charge capacitor and potential is equal to V is equal to, what is that? Q by C. Is the Q by C. Right, so here this is the, so what is that? The current is flowing in this direction, so flux can form here. The change of flux is produces magnetic induced EMF. So what is that? E is equal to minus L into d phi by dt, induced EMF. Correct? Induced EMF. Sorry, minus not d phi, di by dt. Di by dt. E is equal to minus L into di by dt. Correct? Di by dt. E is equal to minus L into di by dt. This is the, so I will consider here inductance, self inductance. L is equal to self inductance. M is equal to mutual inductance. Mutual inductance. According to Faraday laws, we will give formula. What is that? E is equal to my L into di by dt. But according to Lenz is given minus. So what is that? So the flow, the current in the inductor is oppose this current. Okay, oppose the current. That is the back EMF. All those things we learn in the EMI chapter. Correct? Back EMF. Okay, all those things. That's what here. So we will give you what is that? E is equal to minus L into di by dt. di by dt. So now we are applied Kirchhoff law. Okay, we have to apply Kirchhoff law. So what would be happening in this direction? So the current is, this is a plus, if I take me, this is a minus. The current is enter to the plus. Enter to the plus. What is that? Minus only, na? Enter to the plus mean minus only. That's what here, what would be happen? So V, according to Kirchhoff voltage law, V minus E is equal to 0. There is no resistors. Okay, V is equal to what? Q by C minus into minus plus L into di by dt is equal to 0. Right? Di by dt is equal to 0. Then now, so both sides you have to divide by L. So this one also divided by L, this one also divided by L. Okay, L is take out, can become 0 only. Therefore, Q by LC plus d by dt, where I can write here dq by dt. Any objection? No, right? So current formula, what is that? dq by dt. Therefore here instead of I will write this one only. So what is that? dq by dt is equal to 0. Therefore d into d square q divided by dt square plus 1 by LC into q is equal to 0. Is equal to 0. Right? So this is the look like so our simple harmonic motion. Yes or no? Simple harmonic motion formula. Yes or no? So this one we can compare with SHM equation. SHM. What is SH equation? SHM equation d square y by dt square plus omega square into y is equal to 0. Or d square x by dt square plus omega square into x is equal to 0. Correct? So here, so instead of y, what should be there? Q will be there. Instead of y, q will be there. Instead of omega, what should be there? 1 by LC will be there. Therefore, so with help of this one, omega square is equal to 1 by LC. Omega square is equal to 1 by LC. Omega is equal to 1 by root over LC. Root over LC. Correct? So this is our equation. Right? Show that omega is equal to 1 by root over LC. Yeah, everything is fine. So now here, one more question also I will ask here. Okay, now, so in simple harmonic motion, d square y by dt square is equal plus omega square into y is equal to 0. For this purpose, solution we are given. What is that? Y is equal to a sine omega t plus phi. Similarly, so what is that? Displacement we are given. Displacement y is equal to a sine omega t plus phi. Correct? Similarly, here also we want to give solution. We want to give solution. What solution? So Q and charge related solution. Charge related solution. Right? Charge related solution. Here y is equal to, what is that? Q only, na? Therefore here also we will consider Q is equal to Q naught into sine omega t plus phi. Okay, charge is when it is maximum, when it is minimum. Correct? Similarly, one more will be there. What is that? Current also will be there here. Current. What is the current formula? What is the charge formula? What is the charge formula? What is current formula? Correct or not? So that here we want to two graphs. We want to two graphs here. So one is charge purpose as well as one is current purpose only. Correct? So first, for example here, so solution purpose ma. Here solution purpose. That is the finish. Now comparison. Comparison with help of simple harmonic motion only. Simple harmonic motion. Okay. Graphical comparison. So solution. Q is equal to Q naught sine omega t plus phi. So at t is equal to 0. T is equal to 0. Okay. T is equal to 0. I will consider here 0. Next one. So then phi value. So phi value. So I will consider 0 to phi value is 90. Phi value where to where? 0 to 90. 0 to 90. Okay. So now phi is equal to 0 here. What will come? So complete 0 here. Correct? Sin phi is equal to 0. Therefore here what will come here? So sin 0. Sin 0 also 0. That means, so this equation is not suitable for charge. Correct? For charge purpose, we will consider one more equation. What is that? Q naught into cos. Okay. If I take here 0, okay, phi value not, no, right, suitable. We have to see that. Then what is that? Q is equal to Q naught sine 0. That is next is sine phi. So Q naught is equal to at t Q is equal to Q naught. Therefore here Q naught is equal to Q naught into Q naught sine phi. So get cancel. Therefore sine phi is equal to what? 1 only. 1 mean, so sine 90 degrees. Okay. So phi is equal to how much? Phi is equal to 90 degrees. Phi is equal to 90 degrees. Are you clear? Phi is equal to 90 degrees. Now we can substitute there. Q is equal to Q naught into sine omega t plus 90. Sin 90 plus theta, cos theta. Therefore Q is equal to Q naught into cos omega t. Okay, remember that formula. Q is equal to how much? Q is equal to Q naught into cos omega t, mean charge purpose. Charge purpose, we have to consider this equation. Similarly, current purpose. Okay. So similarly, we have to consider here current purpose. So what is the current formula? I is equal to minus dq by dt. dq by dt. No more confusion. Why sir you took minus only? Why? Because so here current and this current both are opposite direction only. That's what we will consider here minus only. Then so I is equal to minus Q is equal to what? This one only, Q naught take common. So d by dt of cos omega t. d by dt of cos omega t. What is the meaning of cos omega t? Cos omega t is equal to d by dt cos omega t is what? Minus sin omega t into omega. So minus get cancel. I is equal to omega into Q naught into sin omega t. So this total term is equal to I naught into sin omega t. This is the solutions. Okay, solution for first concept over. That means second one. Show that omega is equal to 1 by root over LC. As well as solution for this equation. That means in the simple harmonic motion, we learn what is that? We learn y is equal to a sin omega t. That means displacement will come. Similarly, here also we want to solution. That means charge and current. So for that purpose only we took this equation. What is that? Y is equal to a sin omega t plus phi. And Q is equal to Q naught sin omega t cos phi. Okay. So then charge can discharge from first one. This is having full charge, right? It can discharge. That means charge is decreases. So that at t is equal to t time 0, Q I will consider Q naught only. So in that case, so what would be happen? So here, so phi angle is decreases. Where to where 0 to 90 can decreases. Correct? So now for sine purpose I want to take 90, but cos purpose I want to take 0 only. In that case, charge is maximum. If I take phi is equal to 90, current is maximum. Correct only, right? Okay. So this one not required. So these 2 points is enough. So if t is equal to 0, q is equal to q naught. Therefore, instead of there, I will consider q is equal to q naught sine. So omega t value 0. So sine phi only. Sine phi. Now phi value you have to calculate. Q is equal to q naught is equal to q naught sine omega sine phi. So phi this one get cancelled. 1 will come. 1 I will turn 90 degrees. So phi value is equal to 90 degrees. First I will consider. Okay, that's what here again. So with help of this equation, q is equal to q naught sine omega t plus 90. So instead of this one, sine omega t, so phi is equal to how much? 90. Sine 90 plus theta is equal to cos theta. Therefore, q is equal to q naught cos omega t. Cos omega t. That means here, so charge purpose, charges q is equal to q naught. Okay. Cos omega t. Similarly, current also. For current formula, so now we have to follow this one. So I is equal to I naught sine omega t. Sine omega t. Are you clear? So that is the second question is finished. Now third question. What is third question? Third question is nothing but here energy and charge and current can oscillate. Can oscillate. Energy and charge and current can oscillate between capacitor and inductor. Capacitor and inductor. Right? How it can oscillate? We will see. We will see that is. Right? Okay, third one. Energy and charge and current can oscillate. Can oscillate. How? Right. Okay. So now here I have first fully charged capacitor. Fully charged capacitor. Is a plus, minus. Okay, charge is fully here. Right? So that what would be happen? The electrons are moved from here to here. So the current is moved from positive to negative terminal. So electrons are moved from negative to positive. Negative to positive. Okay, this is the direction of electrons. Direction of electrons. Okay. So now here the charge is q is equal to maximum. Here b is equal to 0 initially. There is nothing. Okay. Now this charge is discharged. The charge is discharged from capacitor. The charge is discharged to capacitor. Sorry, inductor. So in that case, what would be happen? So now capacitor and inductor. So circuit is becomes like that only. Okay. So now here 1, 2, 3, 4 will be there. Now what would be happen? Two charges will come. Why? Because discharges happen, right? Discharges happen. So current is flowing like that only. So now current is produces magnetic field. Magnetic field. The change of flux is produces induced EMF. Induced EMF. Correct? So now graphically also you can see that. So is a graphically. Okay. So now first to charge purpose or current purpose. So this is the current. Right? I is equal to, what is I is equal to? I naught into sine omega t. I naught into sine omega t. Charge q is equal to q naught into cos omega t. Cos omega t. Okay. Cos omega t. So now charge. Right. Charge. Cos omega t na cos omega t means we have to consider. So at this point only here. Correct? So this is the cos theta mean we will consider here itself. Sine mean, so start from origin. Start from origin. You know already in the simple harmonic motion SHM form and the oscillator chapter we learned so clearly, correct Orina? So now you can observe this one. Velocity curve, acceleration curve, everything we learn. Yes or no? So now charge can discharge. Initially maximum here only na? Initially is maximum in here. Yes or no? Charge is maximum. Right? Charge is maximum. So now decreases. Here time is equal to how much? T is equal to T by 4. Current is maximum. Here I is maximum. Okay, so again decreases. So decrease and again increases here. Again decreases. Okay, again increases. One cycle is finished. So here how much is a T by 4? This is the T by 2. This is 3T by 4. This is the 4T mean T only. Correct? So one cycle is finished. So this is the charge. Is the charge related curve, this one. Okay, this is the current related curve. So this is the current one. So current is minimum here. The charge is maximum mean charge is maximum in capacitor. Okay, current is minimum in inductor. Remember here. So capacitor is the charge. It can discharge. So it is having induced EMF. That is the concept, ma. So now it is comes in this direction. So here to here, what happened? The charge is 0. But at that condition, current is maximum. So what time that is? T is equal to T by 4. So now here, so this is the T is equal to 0 condition. So in magnetic field, T is equal to 0. Okay. Here, so whatever charge is decreases. Okay, charge is decreases. And current is becomes so increases. Now this one still I will give like that only. So now what happened here? Completely charge becomes 0, right? Charge becomes 0. So charge becomes 0. Complete. Yeah, there is no charge. Q is equal to 0. See here, magnetic field is maximum magnetic field. Okay. So in this manner, magnetic field. This is the magnetic field is maximum. Mean current is maximum. I is maximum. So maximum is the charge is 0. Okay. Again, remember here. So initially capacitor is having so much of charge. Is the inductor is having 0 magnetic field. Okay, now therefore this charge is discharged from capacitor to inductor. So one way, this one oscillation. That means one path in this direction. Where to where? Q to L. This is the L. This is the charge. Capacitor C. C to L. One path over. Correct or not? So now here what happened? Slowly the charge can discharge. Finally, which is becomes 0. This is becomes maximum. This becomes maximum. Correct? So completely like that is happen. Okay. There is no charge here. 0. But here induced EMF is maximum. That means current is maximum. Again, this current can oscillate. Now here charge is oscillate. Where to where? C to L. Now current can oscillate. Charge can oscillate from here to here. The current also oscillate here to here. Correct? So now again charge can increases in downward direction. Okay. So now charge is completely zero here. Current is maximum. So now again what happened here? The current is decreases. Current is decreases. So now another tank we can represent it as like that only. Another tank we can represent in this manner. So here what happened? So now decreases. Which one? Current. Which direction will go? In this direction will go. Previous like that only will go. It is going right. So now because of back EMF, current is moving in this direction. This is the I. Okay. Current in this direction mean. So now here what is that? This is the negative terms. This is the positive terms. Positive charges. This is the negative charges only. So now what is that? Charge. Charge can move from where to where? Electrons negative terminal to positive terminal. So now charge is moving in this manner. The charges oscillate from in this manner. Current is moved from in this manner in reverse direction. So like that to itself. Okay. So now what happened here? Current is decreases. Current is decreases and charge is increases. Charges increases in reverse direction. Reverse direction. Correct? Then next, it can reach the maximum here. This point. Okay. So now I will give you here. So this is the charge. So now here inductor. So here the current will come to here 0. That is a 0. So now here. So it is a negative, negative, negative. Is a positive and positive, positive, positive. So fully charged again. So charge is moving from where to where? Negative to positive. Negative to positive. Current is moving like that only. Okay. So current is moving like that itself. So here B is equal to again 0. I is equal to 0 here in the inductor. Here charge is again maximum. Again maximum. Correct? So maximum reverse direction. Okay, so next what happened here? Charge is again decreases. Again decreases. So another. So again what happened here? Again charge can decrease, current can increase. Current can increase. Again charge is increase, current can reach the 0. Correct? One oscillation is over. Current also oscillating, the charge also oscillating between capacitor and inductor. Okay, that is the mechanism. The total charge can move from where to where? Capacitor to inductor. Okay, again current can move from inductor to capacitor. Inductor to capacitor. So one time discharge, again charge. Discharge and charge. Charge is oscillating like that one. To fro. Current moving from capacitor to inductor, inductor to capacitor. Current also oscillate, and charge also oscillate. Correct? That is the 2 points over. Next, what is that? Charge. Sorry, energy. So this capacitor gives energy. What is that? So energy stored in capacitor is 1 by 2. So Q square by 2C. Q square by 2C. That means this energy, initially this capacitor is having this much energy. This is energy is 0. EB is equal to 0. Now energy is oscillate here. Energy is oscillate here. Where here? So now completely here, energy stored in inductor is equal to, what is that? So 1 by 2 Li square. 1 by 2 Li square. So this is energy in the inductor. Energy stored in inductor. Energy stored in inductor. EB is equal to 1 by 2 Li square. But here total energy is equal to 0. Again, this inductor can oscillate energy to this plate. So now again here what happened here? So again energy EC is equal to Q square by 2C. Here B is equal to 0. Again what would be happen? So here capacitor becomes 0 charge. Again here inductor. inductor is becomes to maximum. So again here EB is equal to 1 by 2 Li square will come. That's like that. That means energy. So capacitive energy converted to magnetic energy. Magnetic energy is converted to electrical energy. That means the total energy is constant. The total energy is constant. Do not lose. So graphically also I have given. This is the oscillation. Current is oscillate. Charge also oscillate. Current also oscillate. Charge also oscillate. Right? Graphically, the diagrammatically, energy, charge and the current also oscillate. That is the mechanism. Very clear? So this is the energy oscillation. So next, last question. Show that the total energy is constant. The total energy is constant. Yes, that one also I will give you. The total energy is constant. That means the total energy is nothing but what? Energy stored in capacitor as well as energy stored in inductor. That is the question, right? Energy stored in total. Last question. Total energy is constant. Show that is. Okay. Total energy is equal to energy stored in capacitor plus energy stored in inductor. Energy stored in inductor. Okay na? EI also no problem, EB also no problem. Energy stored in inductor. Okay. Energy stored in inductor. Energy stored in capacitor. Right. So capacitor. What is the capacitor? Q square by 2C plus this one 1 by 2 Li square. 1 by 2 Li square. Okay. 1 by 2 Li square. Which one? In the inductor as well as capacitor. Inductor as well as capacitor. Right. Okay. So now instead of Q and instead of I, we know formulas already. So Q is equal to Q naught into cos omega t and I is equal to I naught into sin omega t. Correct only? This formula just now I have given. So this one you can put there only. So E is equal to Q square. Q naught square into cos square omega t divided by 2C. Okay. Plus 1 by 2 into L. So what is that? I naught square into sin square omega t. Sin square omega t. Yes or no? So then now, so instead of Q, we will consider, so you know formula already, right? Right. So Q naught square by 2C cos square omega t plus 1 by 2 L. Okay, already we know L formula. What is L formula? So already given L square I naught is equal. So I naught is equal to Q square by LC. Yes sir, this formula previous derivation I given. What is that? So at reserved condition, what is that? So Q square by 2C is equal to L naught square by 2 get cancelled, right? So then what happened here? I want to I naught square. I naught square is equal to what would be happen? Q square by LC, right? Q square by LC. Therefore instead of Q naught square you can put this one only. So I naught square. I naught square is equal to what? Q square by LC. Q square by LC into sin square omega t. So L will cancel. So here Q naught square by 2C, Q naught square by, so Q naught you can put there one only. This one only. Okay na? Q naught. So Q naught square by 2C, Q naught square by 2C. Take common. Yes. Q naught square by 2C. Cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. Correct? Therefore total energy is equal to how much? Q naught square by 2C. Total energy 1 by 2 Li square only will come. This is the LC oscillation. LC oscillation. Okay, remember. So what is the importance of LC oscillation, sir? Yes, LC oscillation importance will be there. For example, in tuning circuit. Okay, tuning circuit. We have to use LCR circuit only. in the tuning circuit. Already last class also I have given, right? Yes sir, to check the, to set the tune. In that also we have to use LCR circuit only. Their most important response, that means, so role can play which one? Capacitor and inductor. Capacitor and inductor, right? So this is the concept of, so this one, right? Next, right, so this is the concept of LC oscillations. Okay, so next class I will give you transform last concept. Okay, thank you to one and all. Thank you.